My understanding to that is that European elite and the European population, there is a huge void between them. So European population, yes, they can that can become a precursor for some kind of mind change, or some kind of small revolutionary philosophy or thought. And I'm not saying the revolution in a full sense in the European population. But so far, this European elite, these Atlanticists are concerned, they are totally aligned with this neo-colonial, neo-conservative, globalist ideology, and they will just wait for the oust of Trump, and they will just vouch for that it's just a turbulent, it's just a time, a storm, and it will pass, and the time will be the same again, where we will enjoy the complete impunity of the unipolar moment, where we will behave like an empire, beside not being an empire, and we will have that unipolar moment again. The moment there will be the globalist or the neocons again, will replace the Trump in the White House, and Trump has to go. And nobody knows that JD Vance will be the fabric of the same cutout. We don't know, but this is a very big question. Will this create some ripples inside Europe? Will the European population will have this idea that where they are going, because they are totally brainwashed, even their academia, they are totally brainwashed, and recently they have been sanctioned. The people like one, two, three, four who are talking about the real thing which is happening to them, such as being complacent into the Ukraine war, hollowing their economic structure, and also going for like and not having their sovereignty, they are being sanctioned.